connecting with alumni is not just about preserving memories, but it is about creating a living bridge between the past experiences and future opportunities. So, hello everyone, I'm Vidisha Arora, team leader of Alumni 360, which is going to present the solution on the problem statement of Government of Punjab, which states digital platform for centralized alumni data management and engagement. Basically, let us discuss first the root cause of this problem. The root cause of this problem is the alumni is not at all interested in connecting with the organization they have passed from. So as a consequence, the students which are actually studying in that university does not get the guidelines or like the suggestions from the alumni. And the LinkedIn survey 2022 shows that 85% of jobs are filled via alumni. So basically, we are going to cover the loopholes of Huawei, Alma Connect, and GradNet. The major problem they are doing is they are not connecting faculty members in that. Secondly, they are not doing anything which is going to upgrade the skills of the student. So, we are proposing the solution. Firstly, we are going to integrate faculty members of the organization, which is going to recommend or do the referral of the students to the alumni and and they are going to work on the real world projects which is going to be given by the particular alumni and on that particular domain the student wants to work in. Okay, so we are also going to integrate the reward based engagement in our platform, which is going to like given with badges, points, and recognition to the alumni, which is going to be very engaging part for them, and it is not going to be boring for them. Okay, so we are going to use two models in this. The first is job fit analysis model, and the second one is profile compatibility model. Basically, these two models are have been integrated in our website, or like we have not integrated in a prototype, but we are obviously working upon it. The first is job fit, in which it evaluates every job post with an overall fit score, like the skill match of the particular candidate for that particular domain and the experience alignment. Like if that student have the experience in that domain which he or she is trying to have or not. And the second one is profile compatibility model. It analyzes profile visits to highlight career path and it also mentorship potential and meaningful connection benefit for alumni student engagement in a job portal. Then secondly, if we are going to discuss about the technology stack, then that we can obviously see on that our screen. And thirdly, we are going if we are going to about discuss about the feasibility and viability part, then our platform is scalable and it is revenue generating as well because we are going to export our system as SaaS system, software as a service system, and we are going to charge from that from the particular organization monthly or yearly. So benefits of using this solution, stronger alumni engagement, which is the real cause of this problem statement. And lastly, the comparison of existing platform that is Alumni 360, Huawei, and GradNet. Okay, so Huawei, GradNet, and Alum Connect. These three are the major platforms which are being used by IIT, IIMs, and MNCs. So our competitors are they. Now let us move forward to the prototype. This is our prototype. Eventually, in this there is sign-in part. The new users can sign in, and the existing one can simply sign up. Let me show you the demo of this. We let us suppose I am a student and I am going to sign up. Okay, so because I am an existing student, so my credentials are already saved. My name, my phone number, and my institution name. Okay, and my passing out year, which is 2027, and my email is already been saved, and my password. So now I have been done with my OTP part. Now I've been logged in. So here are the things like community part. In the community part, I can already see the all the alumni and I can go through their like what they're doing right now. in the particular domain. Jobs and internships part, like the posting for the students which are studying in that organization, can viable see that and go through that, and also they can get some reference by their alumni. Fourthly, there is networking part. Okay, just like LinkedIn, where we can like have the strong networking in which we can connect. Like if I'm going to connect with Emily Davis, I'm going to click on the button that is connect, then I'm simply connected with her. Okay. So now I'm going to log out from this, and now here comes our landing page. So now this is the dashboard we have been working upon, and we are going to work more upon it definitely. The third part is mentorship hub. Obviously, our alumni will work as a mentor as well. So here we are with the chatbot. If we have any queries regarding like if what alumni we have anything we want to know about alumni, then the first part we have been given join network, find mentors, like the mentors we want to connect with of our organization. Then I clicked on join network. So we can directly join by using the sign in or sign up. Then in the sign up, there are four major categories. First is the faculty part, like those the faculty members who are actually in that particular organization. Secondly, the student part, which are us, who is going to connect with the alumni and are the current part of that particular institution. Then thirdly, the alumni part, who is going to give mentorship, and as well as the live sessions, like the live projects to the student as well to increase their skill building, which is the major part in a project. We are going to like collaborate with alumni in such a way, or the organization in such a way, that they are going to give students the real world projects or the practical exposure in the domain they want to work in, which is eventually going to give them the good internship or the better job placement from the organization. And the fifth is admin part, which is playing the crucial role in giving the data of the alumni and also the current student data. So that's all for today. Thank you, and we are working upon it, and definitely we are going to achieve more upon it. Thank you.